Hey everyone, welcome to today's summer night routine. This is a mom night routine. I'm a mom of 3 boys and a military spouse. My name's Becca if you're new here, and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I'm excited to share our summer nighttime routine with you today. On this night, we had just eaten dinner, and before we get to cleaning everything up, I like to take this time to go over some books with Grayson. I have him in tutoring just so that he does not forget what he's learned throughout the school year and just to keep his mind busy and active. I did this a lot with my oldest as well. I feel like it's really easy during the summertime to forget things and fall behind. So we try to keep them in tutoring during the summer just to keep their minds active and working. So we're going to go ahead and read some books before we clean up the kitchen. And I kept it really simple tonight and used the air fryer for dinner. I love nights like this. It makes it so much easier to clean up. There's not a huge mess to clean, but we're just going to do some basic cleaning up in the kitchen before we head upstairs because I love coming down to a clean house in the morning. It's very important for me to start my day in a kitchen that is clean when I'm making breakfast. I don't want to have to be cleaning up the mess from the night before while trying to make my breakfast. So I make a point to try and clean the kitchen most nights. I don't do it every night. I definitely have nights where I'm tired and I'm just throwing in the towel for the day, but most nights I try to clean the kitchen before we head upstairs. Most nights I like to go ahead and run my robot vacuum. I typically try to put the stools up when I run it just so that it can really get under this like little island nook really well because the kids like to eat their snacks here during the day, so it gets very messy very quickly. And before we finish up in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and give Lola some food and fresh water. Most nights while I'm cleaning up, I go ahead and have the kids start picking up their toys. They're young, so they always need help with it unless I want to wait an hour or two for them to pick them all up, which usually I just want to quickly get it done. So I have them work on that while I clean everything else up, and then I just finish them with the last little bit that they have when I'm done cleaning up. now that we've had it upstairs, it is time to get the kids in a bath. They've been really liking taking a bath lately because Grayson got some dinosaur bath bombs for his birthday, and they've been wanting to use those in the bathtub. So I put a little bit of bubbles in there because they both love a really bubbly bath, and then let them kind of get in and play for a little bit and do their bath bombs. And then I go ahead and rinse out all the dirty water from the bath bombs and then clean them with fresh water. But it's a good way to let them unwind too and burn that last little bit of energy before they head off to bed. Now that the kids are in bed and everybody's asleep, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and do my nighttime routine. I have a pretty thorough skincare routine that I do. Since I'm in my 30s, I try to take really good care of my skin. And I used to shower at night. I kind of bounce back and forth. It just depends on what day you catch me, but I've been working out in the morning, so I've been liking to wash my face at night before bed, do my skincare routine, and then showering in the mornings after my workout. Since, you know, I get a little sweaty and gross from my workouts, I like to hop in the shower and wash off really fast. So I have been changing it up a little bit this summer and just doing it this way. Beyond gravel, beyond scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. As far as my skincare routine, I try to do an under eye cream. I use a retinol cream, and then I also make sure to really moisturize my skin, because I already have very sensitive kind of dry skin anyways, so it's important to get that in. And I do have a lip mask that I use during the winter that, you know, when my lips are really the driest. But lately I've just been doing some of my hydration chapstick, and that seems to be doing the trick for the little bit that I need to keep my lips hydrated. Undercover agents of the other. Gravel beyond all right, friends, that is it for today's routine video. I hope you enjoyed this summer nighttime routine. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and you like this type of content, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Sweetness could reach everyone. There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy.